Hi, this is Diana Case, and we're going to talk about the Desmos calculator and the Algebra end of course exam. So let's jump in. This question has an equation, and it also has 4 answers on T-charts. And these charts are not the way we normally see the charts in our algebra classes. We normally write a chart up and down. That's not really a problem, but it can be a little bit confusing. But we're still going to go to the calculator straight away, and then we'll work backwards to see how to make that work for us in the problem. So I'm going to bring up my Desmos calculator. Which is resisting right now, but that's okay. I'll force it. All right, now I'm going to type in the equation at the top, which is y equals negative x. And you can do a squared with this button here. You can also use the caret mark, which is the capitalization on the 6 on your keyboard. And then just kind of arrow out of that to get out of the squared. And then type in plus. You can use the plus on your keyboard, or you can use it down here, 3x. Now we want to see a T-chart, and so we're going to punch the flower gear, and we're going to punch the little T-chart. Now, the T-chart that comes up goes through 0, 0. All of our answers go through 0, 0. The T-chart that comes up goes through 1, 2. Only one of our answers go through 1, 2. The T-chart that goes up goes through 2, 2. This one goes through 2, 2. And it goes through negative 1, 4, and negative 2, negative 10. It looks very much like H is the correct answer. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to select H. And probably for a homework session, that will probably be good enough. But since we're taking kind of a high stakes test, I would suggest that you go ahead and take one moment and rewrite your T-chart up and down to be sure it really is an exact match for what we had on the Desmos. And then we'll bring Desmos in. And look again, negative 2, 10, negative 1, negative 4, 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 2. It's correct. H is the correct answer. And there you go, folks. Thank you so much for joining me for a look at Desmos and the Algebra 1 EOC.